Hey y'all, it's Vonda. Yeah, I'm in the car, and I just have to say I see how it works out that way. That's why we see a lot of videos in people's vehicles. I'm on my way to the doctor, and I just wanted to jump on here for a quick second and let y'all know just one more way that my econ has changed in my life. Those of you that know me know that I put some tests off in the last couple of years because of finances, guys. Straight up, just because of finances. But not only has my econ helped me work on my credit score, helped me know what to do with my money, helped me to budget my money better, build up some strategies for investing my money. It's really just changed everything in my life. Nobody likes to go to the doctor, y'all, but I am able to have these tests done now. And, you know, life is what it is. We all got to take care of ourselves, or we can't take care of anybody. So take care of yourself. Like, comment, and share this video. And let me give you some information on how to start changing your life, guys. Y'all have a blessed day.